Chunni Munni and the Fairyland. One quiet night, with stars so bright, Chunni Munni closed their eyes tight. In a dream they flew so high, past the clouds into the sky. A gate of gold, a glowing stream, they entered Fairyland like a dream. Flowers whispered, trees could talk, and moonlight danced on every walk. Fairies twirled in dresses light, shining wings so pure and white. Welcome friends, the fairies said, come with us, there's fun ahead. They slid on stars, they rode the breeze, laughed with elves and talked to bees. A honey river, a candy tree, it was magic as far as eyes could see. But soon a fairy came near and said, it's time to rest your sleepy head. Come again when the moon is high, in dreams we meet and fly the sky. Chunni Munni woke with a smile so wide, fairy dust twinkled by their side. They hugged each other, eyes full of light. What a magical, starry night.